Hello.
So next
So,
I am audible.
हाँ सर एबे सुबिला से थोड़ा सुबह नथला.
So first we cover about to the data modeling, the determine the optimal feature for machine learning model. So data modeling is what? After exploring your data, then you have to modelize your information. When you modelize your information, everybody will what accept that. Like whenever you are going to purchase a mobile phone, so first of all in the shopping mobile shopping shop, they are having a dummy mobile. From the dummy mobile, the people are attracted and purchase the mobile. So data modeling is like that. It is used to modelizing your information to determine the optimal data feature for the machine learning model. It create a model that predict the target accurately. Okay, like when you open the YouTube, the most video that you are watching, so in the suggested side or in a suggested video, it is always showing you. Suppose you have preferred to watch the video of the kind of like Python programming language. So it is also suggesting on when you open the YouTube in your suggestion page, it is always giving you the suggestion that you have to watch this video. So it is what advertising it. The similar way, modelizing is just like that. When the new mobile has launched in the market, so they display in their display container so that people are attracted and to have it. It evaluate the taste and efficiency of the model. Then deployment is what? So after all the thing is over, then
सर मॉडलिंग टा टिके आउथरे से बुझे असलानी.
modeling ta hochi that you can what give a dummy of your database. Means why anybody use your product or your software, so that you have to modelize it. You can
सर डॉमी माने
ଡମି ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା କୁହାଯାଏ ଯେମିତି ମୋବାଇଲ ଦୋକାନକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯାଉଛ ସେ କଣ କରୁଛି କିଛି ଡମି ମୋବାଇଲ ରଖୁଛି ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା କି ୟୁଜ ନାହିଁ ଖେଳନା ଭଳିଆ ମୋବାଇଲ ରଖୁଛି. That means from that dummy mobile you come to know that how your mobile look like. ଯେମିତିକି ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା catalog of any dress. So from the catalog you coming to know that after stitching your the clothes, then your dress is look like this. So that is called as a dummy. So modelizing information is required to represent the information or to deliver to the customers. Okay. Deployment, it check the deployment environment for the dependency issue. Deploy model is pre-production test environment. It monitor the performance. Okay, it check the deployment environment, deploy the model in the pre-production test environment. Means it is ready to install your database, or it is ready to finalize, and it is ready to deliver your data to the customers, okay, or to the stakeholders. ମାନେ ଯିଏ ତମକୁ order କରିଥିବ ତମେ ତାକୁ ତା location install କରିବ. And you also monitor how your software is working perfectly or not. So you have to monitor it. So after monitoring, then you have to analyze it. Then if there is need any kind of changes, so you do the changes over there. Okay, ବୁଝିଗଲା?
ସାଉଥରେ ଟିକେ
ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଆମର ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାରଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ୍ କରିବା କଷ୍ଟମର ଲୋକେସନରେ. ଓକେ, କଷ୍ଟମର ଲୋକେସନ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ୍ କରିବା and ସେ ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାର ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଚେକ୍ କରିବା whether that software is perfectly working or not. ଯଦି perfectly କାମ କରୁଛି then ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଯଦି କିଛି ଫିଚର ଆଡ୍ କରିବାର ଅଛି ଆମେ ସେଠି ଆଡ୍ କରିପାରିବା ଫିଚର ଗୁଡାକ. ବୁଝିଲା?
यस सर.
Next. Then comes to machine learning, deep learning in data science. So data science is what? It is a extraction of the knowledge of data by using different techniques and algorithms. So by using a different technique, you have to extract your information. Lot of people are using the internet and they are storing their information. Then you have to get the relevant information. Like suppose you are opening a shopping mall, and when you open a shopping mall to advertising your shopping mall, you need the data of those are the peoples are using the Flipkart, those are using a Amazon, those are using a Snapdeal. So you purchase, you have to collect or extract that information and advertise them, because they are the relevant user, and they may use your softwares or your application, or they have to may um, purchase your product. So the data science is that part, like it is extraction of the accurate data which is relevant to the particular user. Artificial intelligence is a technique. It enable machine to mimic the human behavior. It's just like that when you purchase your newly mobile phone, and when you typing any text in WhatsApp or in a text box, it is not suggesting you anything. So after some of days, like 7 days or 1 month, it gives you the suggestion that when you type, suppose if you want to write start, if you write st, then automatically it suggests you that you write start. So that kind of suggestion it will give. And when you purchase the new mobile phone, at that timing, if you are typing any key that is not accurately typed, suppose if you type q, maybe w will type. When you type e, maybe r will type. So your system is not identifying properly, or it is not analyzing your finger properly. So after some of days, if you are regularly use your device is identifying your fingers, means what you supposed to be press in the number key. Artificial intelligence is like that. It is fast identifying, or it enable the machine that the machine will identifying what you trying to do. Then machine learning is a subset of all the techniques uses the statistical method to enable machine to improve the experience. So that means what? Like when you purchase a mobile phone, you are typing any key, it is display you another key. That means your machine is not compatible with your fingers. So after some of days, uh, it improve itself. The machine is improve itself that is the user is typing this key, so you have to type it. You are not type the extra other key, because if you write if you press q, you want to press w, q is written. That means you are using backspace again you write q. So machine is identifying that no, this finger person that the user is using the user is supposed to be type the W. So you have to adjust the finger and improve your performance. Similar way, if you take another example, like the YouTube, we're taking an example. So when you open a fresh login ID and you open the YouTube, the first page is showing you the different things. Okay, but if you regularly search for the Bollywood song, so in some of the days when you open your YouTube, it is suggesting the Bollywood song first in the first page, and what are the new upcoming Bollywood songs are there, or new songs are there, or new albums are there. They is suggesting you. So artificial intelligence is judging you, and based upon your judgment, based upon its based upon its analysis, it is uh, adjusting itself, or in the machine learning is adjusting itself, and it is showing you the proper thing. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which make the computation of multi-layer neural network feasible. The machine learning is what? It is improve itself, and the suggestion that it is providing you in the YouTube, so that is called the deep learning. It is not showing you the extra or unnecessary information that you don't want. So always it is when you open your any kind of like if you open the Netflix. Okay, so Netflix is so much popular. They're basically, they use this artificial intelligence, they use machine learning and deep learning. Why it is so popular? Because its algorithm is written in that way that always it is identifying its customer or it is user, that it is identifying the user when the user is searching for which song, which item, what is the timing, what is the day. So from that searching methodology, the deep learning is identifying that what the customer is accurately need. So based upon that, it is suggesting that video or that albums or that movie on the particular day and on the particular timing also. So it is minutely identify each person behavior. As because we're going through the online platform, online shopping, the business is also converted to this online platform. Lots of people are selling their items and purchase the item through the online, and your in an online huge number of information is present, but which information is relevant to the customers and which information is relevant to the user, so that information is delivered to the particular user, so that there is what you are not supposed to be give lot of timing to searching for any items. So that deep learning is identifying all its features. Okay, so data science part.
So data science so data science और deep learning ଟା ଟିକେ ଭଲସେ ବୁଝି ଆସିଲାନି.
Data science ଭିତରେ ହିଁ ଏଇ ତିନିଟା ସବସେଟ୍ ରହୁଛି, ଆର୍ଟିଫିସିଆଲ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ରହୁଛି, ମସିନ୍ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ରହୁଛି, ଡିପ୍ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ରହୁଛି। ଆର୍ଟିଫିସିଆଲ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବ ନା ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ବିହେଭିୟରକୁ ଆନାଲାଇଜ କରିବ, ଆଉ ସେ ମେସିନ୍ କୁ କହିବ ଯେ ବେସ୍ଡ ଅପନ୍ ଦ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ବିହେଭିୟର ୟୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ ୟୋର ସେଲ୍ଫ, ମାନେ ସେ ତାର ମେସିନ୍ଟାକୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ ସେଇ ୱେରେ କରିବ, ମେସିନ୍ଟା ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ତୁମ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସେଟ୍ରେ ରହିଯିବ। Okay, suppose if I am using your mobile phone, then it is very uncomfortable to me. Means if I typing anything, it may be typing any other key, but it is acquainted with your finger. And deep learning is improve itself, means it is only giving you the accurate result which is required for you. It is not giving you the unnecessary results. Okay. ଏମିତି ମୁଁ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ଖୋଲିବି, ଯଦି ମୁଁ ବେଶୀ ବଲିଉଡ ଦେଖୁଛି ମତେ ସଜେଷ୍ଟେଡ ଭିଡିଓ ହିଁ ବଲିଉଡ ସଙ୍ଗଟା ହିଁ ଆସିବ, ମତେ ଅଦର କିଛି ଆସିବନି। ଓକେ, ବୁଝିହଉଛି?
ସର ଯେ ସେଟା ତ ହାଇପୋଥେସିସ ରେ କହିଥିଲେ ନା ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ କ୍ଲାସ, ତ ସେଇଟା ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ସେମ୍?
ହଁ,
ମାନେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ସଙ୍ଗ ର ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯୋଉ एग्जांपल ଟା।
ହଁ, it is the part, it is that part.
ହଁ,
okay,
अच्छा।
so Python what is Python? Python is a general purpose and high level programming language, and by using of this Python you can create a desktop application, you can create a web application, you can create your console application, mobile application, machine learning, then internet of thing. So these are the application you can develop. Means internet of thing means your you can get a internet connectivity in all devices, like in your watch, in your shoes, everywhere internet is available, which is judging a human. Internet of thing is like that, so in every devices you can access the internet. The popular development in Python is, one is YouTube, another is Dropbox, Google, and what another is Mozilla, Instagram. So these are the popular application that is used or developed by the Python, where data science part is implemented. It is not like that old thing. Okay, so this used in this different application. If you look after the last 10 years, okay, last 16 years, the top 10 language, if you calculate, the Python is the highest than all the programming language. Before that, the Java is there, JavaScript is so much popular. But in today's scenario, we're using this Python programming language, which is very much popular in present scenario. Python is a very simple and straightforward syntax. It can be your first programming language too. Like when you write a Java program, you write the program, you compile it, then you execute it. So there is a steps are present. But in the Python, after writing a program, when you supposed to be press enter, then it is what you can get the answer immediately. So write the program, press enter, then you get the result. So it is a case sensitive language. It is an object oriented language. It is dynamically typed. Indentation is used in place of curly bracket. It is used the variable without declaration. But in the Java programming language, you are writing what int, char, string data type for storing a value. Here, it is not required any kind of data type. It is a interpreted language. Interpreted means you can line by line the execution is happening. Okay, so one by one the program is executed. So it is called the interpreted language. So feature is what now it is emphasized on the code code readability. You can easily read the code. Automatic memory management is going on. Like in Java, we are using constructor and destructor. Here also it is used constructor and destructor concept. It has the large library. Like in Java program, you have the IO stream, SQLs. Okay, so it is also contain the huge number of libraries than the other programming language. So that basically it is used in the data science part. It is a multi-paradigm language, like it is a object-oriented programming language. It is a procedural language. With the Python interactive interpreter, it is easy to check the Python command. It is platform independent, like in in any environment or any operating system it works. So it is called as the platform independent language. So these are the huge
So,
libraries. Hmm? What?
so first point जो emphasis वाला थला से ता मानने कोणता बुच्ची असलानी
Code
emphasis on code
easily you can read the code, easily you can understand the code. Okay, it is not like that in other programming complex,
so
but
तापरे से जो automatic type
constructor destructor ଆମେ use କରୁଛେ Java programming language ରେ for memory management. In C programming language, for memory management we are using a special concept like pointer. So here pointer is removed, automatic the memory management is going on. तो Java रे भी पढ़थिला ना garbage collection process पढ़नो.
yes
So that kind of thing is there.
The
Construct
money.
हाँ से जावार किसी किसी रोज एटा हচ্ছে दी आप मेमोरी से ऑटोमेटिक मेमोरी अलोकेट करिवो फॉर द न्यू वैल्यू एंड डी अलोकेट करिवो जो वैल्यू टा हमरा दरकार नै बुझिला
Yes. Yes.
so it contain the huge number of library like graphic user interface web framework multimedia database it support the networking text framework automation web scraping. Okay, so these are the different tools are present. Documentation, system administration, okay, image processing, IoT. So these are the different library name that supported in Java. Sorry, that is supported in the Python, and it is more library it contains than the other programming language.
Yes.
So it is your learning path. Like for moving to the data science first you learn the Python basics that you are now Python basic GUI app in Python, then you can move to your Python to web app in Python, Python for artificial intelligence and machine learning, okay, then Python for IoT, and we can use big data analysis with Python. Okay, so basically in data science part, the Python is basically it is used and it is huge demand for the data science part. So why we're using the Python in data science? Because it has this kind of tools, Python pandas, okay, which is use dynamic data structure part. SciPy, it is a scientific method for analyzing the information for business analytical tool we're using statistics model in Python. NumPy we're using. Okay, then Matplotlib is a feature which is basically it is used like in currently it is showing you the COVID-19 dense area where a lot of patients are available. It is showing you the dense data. If you check here, for tracking the patients that is available, it is used here, and basically the Matplotlib is used by the Rapido, Ola, so that the driver can coming to know that where your lot of customers are available. So if you look this figure, see that there is a Matplotlib. So it is showing you where. So this area means lot of patients are present where now the cases is very high. So it is a Maharashtra area. Okay. So these are the Matplotlib that we are using in the. You can develop by using a Python language. C1 is a data science part, which is verifying your information, and it gives you the best analysis report what to do for your business. Okay, so it is used in C1 sector. So these are all the parts that we cover about the basics of your intro of your Python. Okay, so from the next class we go for the real Python program and Python features, how it comes, and how to write a Python program. So these are the concept we will going to cover. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll meet at the same time. Okay.
Sir, not a to?
Not a.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, आज क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग टा ठीक पठेइ देबे.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.